viewer, Penny. And this is what she said. I really enjoyed reading Superhero JJ Many Talents and gave it a 5-star. What I loved about it, it is educational for all ages. Very colorful and full of energy. I found the book to have great content for kids to read and learn about the different careers out there. Very inspiring for kids to read. She highly recommends it. Thank you, Penny. Until we meet again, stay talented, stay inspired, and stay safe. This is Auntie Kadil signing off for now. Until we meet again, take care, peace and love, blessings. Love you guys.